Here we will demonstrate the geofence exit and enter alerts and the speed alerts. For that, we are simulating device location and speed data for two different devices. One device is for speed alerts and the other device is for enter and exit geofence alerts. So let me simulate this data. You can see the device movements we're gonna use for the demo is the device will be reach Creek Hollow Drive from Shallow Flower Road using two different alternative routes. You can see the first alternative route. The speed is 20 kilometers per hour. The heading we have set to north. We haven't changed the heading at the moment. And this is the second alternative route. The speed is 20 kilometers per hour constantly. So let us add an geofencing exit alert and geofencing enter alert. To do that, you can see there are two buttons we have added there. You can just simply click on add geofencing exit alert to create an exit alert. Let me create an exit alert. I'm going to click on it. Then it will list the areas if there's any. If there's not, you can draw area like this. I'm going to circle around the starting point and name this geofence or this area as starting point. So when a device exit from this particular area, it will give an alert saying the device has exited the starting point. Let me add another geofence into enter. So I'm going to circle back the finishing point of our simulated device. So that is the finishing point. So as soon as a device enter the finishing point, there will be an alert that the device is inside the finishing point. Following the same approach, you have the ability to define areas such as restricted areas and define alerts to be notified when a device or a user enter exit these defined areas. Let's simulate the device movement with these defined GNF alerts. In the beginning of the simulation, device will be inside the starting point area, and when the device leaves the area, as you can see, icon will be red to indicate then there is an alert. We can see the alert of exiting the starting point when we click on the device. As when the device reaches the ending point area, there will be another alert indicating an entering alert. So we have the alternative round simulation now with the same alert displaying when the device is moving. You can see the speed was continuously 20 kilometers per hour. So we can change the speed of the simulation. We have another device with a different speed simulated for us to get an speed alert working on. Let me go to the new device page and replay that device data to get the speed alert demonstration working. You can see when you click on the device will be moving on now around 30 kilometers per hour. Now it's 20 kilometers per hour. It will go in 20 kilometers per hour for some time and it will reach 50 kilometers per hour. Yes, now it's 50 kilometers per hour. That is the alternative route. First alternative route. There's another alternative route. We are not gonna change the speed of that. Let's put 25 as the speed limit. So now it's going on 20 kilometers per hour on the route B. Let's say the second route. It's not gonna give you any alerts, but we have changed this in the first route. when we replay this, okay, and there will be alerts popping up. It's 20 kilometers, it's normal driving pattern. That's we expect. It's 30 kilometers, the device movement is not normal. That is an speed alert. So it's back to 20 again, no alert. So it's gonna go in 20 for bit more, and it will reach 50 kilometers per hour. When it reaches 50 kilometers per hour, you can see there's another alert.
This was the real-time view with real-time geo alerts and speed alerts. We can get the recent history of the device movement with the alert information also to be visible in this graph by simply clicking on the recent history, and you can see there will be a path of the movement of devices highlighted in blue and red. Blue lines indicate the normal driving pattern and the red line indicates alerts, several alerts like here the speed alerts when it's 50 and when it was 20, and you can see here the previously we put the exit and enter alerts. Those alert details also we can get as history data. The blue lines which is here inside the starting point indicates there is no alert. There's red lines where it indicates the device is outside the starting point, and in the finishing point area there will be two alerts indicating that the device is outside the starting point and the device is inside the starting point.